Hey everyone, excuse the background noise. So, what I thought I'd show you in today's video is what I do to get these tyres ready. Not going to claim this as my own idea. Obviously, a lot of people out there doing this. I'm getting a lot of help out from our local guys, especially a bloke by the name of Travis in the Melbourne No Prep club, I guess. Giving me some really good pointers. So these are brand new, straight out of the box. You saw in the last video we mounted them up onto these bead locks. So normally what I do is some WD-40, spray it onto a cloth like that, and I'll literally just run that over the tyre. Now they are brand new, straight out of the packet, yeah, so there's going to be a lot of the releasing agent they use and all that sort of stuff, so it's going to take off. You can see it took off a bit of dirt off the tyre, because you can still see they're discoloured. If the camera picks up, they look white, they're pretty hazy, so this will take a few passes with the WD on there. So it's going to soften them right up, get rid of any oils from the rubber, bring them out. So we'll do that. You see they're already dried up. That's actually quite sticky already. What we'll do is we'll chuck them out in the sun for a couple of minutes, and we'll come back and do it again. Alright, well, welcome back. So these have been out in the sun for a few minutes. You can see they've all dried up. Definitely feel soft, softer than what they were before. Quite stickier feeling, I guess. So yeah, just time to give them another go over. As I said, do I do it right? Do I do it wrong? Nobody knows. I just do what I think is right, and sometimes it seems to work. So hopefully we get these nice and soft. I don't run I've tried running a prep, tried running the pimp juice. I found that it worked really well for one pass, but then you've got to bring the car in, clean the tyres down, apply the coating, let it soak in. Then you got to try and get the tyres up to temp again. So I don't have tyre warmers, so it makes it a bit harder. Yeah, it's something I want to get some stage. Probably the next purchase I make will be some tyre warmers. The Sky RC ones look pretty good. Yeah, so and the other thing is I ordered quite a few bottles of the pimp juice to come in, but DHL apparently aren't shipping to Australia at the moment, according to the guys over at F&A. They said that their carriers aren't coming to Oz with that product. So okay, interesting. It's bad enough as it is with the corona getting stuff. I've got stuff coming from Sydney to Melbourne. It's taken a month so far and it's still on its way. That's the joys of the times that we live in, I guess. Using the prep, I guess, for back-to-back tuning runs gets a bit tedious. I like getting out the front and just doing a couple of test hits and bringing it back straight in to readjust, but can't do that with the prep that I use without the tyre warmers, so I'll probably get away from using that and just use the good old WD-40. Maybe look into an actual tyre conditioner that's available. There's so many on the market. A lot of guys use them. The buggies, off-road buggies, we use it. So yeah, I'll chuck these outside and we'll be back soon. Okay, back again, ready to go for the third application. They're getting really nice soft now. Soft is sticky. So they feel really, really good. Just give it the last one, really push it in there, and then the only real way to find out is to chuck them on the car and give it a couple of rips. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. This is just what I do. I'm not the fastest, I'm not the slowest, well sometimes I am, but yeah, hope this helps you with some ideas. Drop a comment on the video, let me know what you use for prep, what you find works. Yeah, just let's get the conversation going. Thanks for watching. Take care.